All right, marketing fundamentals. How to be not just a good marketer, but a great marketer. I honestly don't know how to teach you how to be a good marketer. I don't even know how to do it. A good marketer knows the mechanics, the science of marketing, and like that's it. And that marketer, that copywriter, is going to be put out of business within 12 months by AI. So even if I knew how to teach you how to do that, I wouldn't do it because it's a waste of time. So let's just start by saying this. If you're trying to learn marketing right now, you have a very short window. Currently, AI is beating human beings at writing ads for, at the very least, I know this because I read the article, Chase Bank. So here are the marketers who are about to survive, the top 1%. And so that's why I'm telling you that the only thing I know to teach you is how to be great. And you have to be great. And so here's another fundamental of being a great marketer. You have to, and this is true for sales as well as marketing. You have to go into whatever project it is that you're going into, whether it's writing a script, whether it is storyboarding a whole freaking product launch, whatever the heck it is. You have to go into it expecting for it to work. Now, that may seem obvious, but it's not. Most marketers, most copywriters, they are hoping that it works. They're hoping that it converts. I don't ever hope or like wish or anything. I know that it's gonna sell. And it's not just gonna sell, it's gonna break records. But even back when I was first getting started and didn't know I was gonna break records, I still knew it was gonna work. Now that boils down to self-confidence. Almost all of this boils down to you. Really, but I know that's not what you want to hear right now. So, but you have to build yourself up to the point where you do have belief in yourself and confidence. So, like, I believe that when I create a marketing piece, a promotion, a funnel, I believe that it is going to crush so strongly that if it didn't, like, first of all, I can't remember the last time it didn't. But I do remember a couple times it not. And I remember being shocked, literally shocked. Like it didn't even register. Shut up. It didn't even register. Freaking robots. I'm anti-robot. I got robots like freaking all over me. It took a hard time for me to really, this doesn't even make sense. That energy that I have, that confidence, that enthusiasm, that the person reading my words feels that. I expect them to buy, and so they feel my expectation, and everybody wants to live up to people's expectations. This is even more true in sales, but it comes through in marketing as well. So just know this, as you're creating your marketing piece, as you're writing out your emails for your client, or for your business, or for whatever, if there is a question mark in your mind, there is going to be a question mark in the lead, in whoever is reading it, or your, whatever you call it, potential customer. There's going to be a question mark, and the person reading, watching a video, whatever the heck, there's a question mark in your mind, there will be a question mark in their mind. And I hate to break it to you, but question marks do not buy.